Kris had not been happy with her teeth for a very long time. She had a lot of pain, a lot of discomfort, and it really had gotten to the point where she just was not showing anything anymore.
Where, I lost a tooth here or there. I'm bad grinding, clenching my teeth, which kind of evolved into other issues.
We spent a lot of time talking with her and looking and discussing what she wanted her future treatment to be, what her goals were. And in a nutshell, she wanted to smile again and she wanted to be happy.
I had a vision for what I wanted, and when I went to other consultations, I was basically told, no, we don't do that all under one roof. I knew there was procedures out there, but it just took some time in finding the right people to do it that I was comfortable with. And I knew once I was there that I was in the right place.
And so what we did for her was, in one visit, we removed all of her remaining teeth. They were not salvageable. We were not able to turn what she had into what she wanted. We removed her teeth. We placed implants in the upper jaw and the lower jaw. We delivered fixated teeth on those implants.
They were great. I was completely put at ease. I went home super excited to tell my husband, this is the place. No more being tortured from one office to another. They can do everything all under one roof. And when it comes to the implants, they can put implants in and I can leave with something in my mouth that same day. I was completely impressed by the fact that I could have a scan, which is, a full head scan to show what imperfections you have, right? They have the technology that they have and what they can do, and the 3D models that they can build from this technology is mind-blowing. I'm so happy that I found them, and I'm so happy that I made the choice that I did, even though it was a difficult choice.